Hi everyone, this is my first project on HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This is the final and the look of my stopwatch, having the three start, stop, and reset button. This is the timer, and this is the heading of the stop. The heading that is written of stopwatch. Let's move to the coding section. And in my project stopwatch, there are three files: index.html, JavaScript file, and CSS file. This one is the HTML file. In HTML file, I have provided the title of the project. When we run on the browser, this title stopwatch will be able to see in the tab. I have also added linked CSS file, and I have also added the script.js file in the HTML file. This is for the box of the stopwatch containing of the container. This is containing of the class box having the heading of stopwatch, and this is the ID given. I have also given the ID of the clock between the timer, hour, minutes, and seconds. I have also created the three events button, that is start, stop, and reset. On clicking on the start button, the timer will be start. On clicking on the stop button, the timer will be stop. And on the clicking on the reset button, the timer will be reset. I have also provided some kind of particular color for the each button. Start for the green color, and stop for the red color, and the blue for the reset button. Let's move to the next page, that is style.css file. And style.css file makes the HTML page when when we play on the browser. It makes the pretty good look. uh, I, I have also given for default values for the box, and this is for the body. Background color brown, provided some height width of the body. This is for the container box. Upon given the particular color, that is background color white, height width, and radius also. Box shadow, this is for the shadow rectangular form, and provide the shadows of the green color along with the rectangular side of the box. This is for the heading. This is for the h1 of the font size of the stopwatch, and this is for the buttons. This one is for the buttons one. Given some conditions, that is for the color white, cursor pointer, and the border size. Now let's move to the JavaScript file. These JavaScript files make the whole HTML page functional. I have given the three functions: created function, start, stop, and reset. I have also created the variable for the seconds, minutes, and the hours. These variables, each stop is true for this in starting one. I also created the uh, timer functions. For the timer, I created the functions timer functions here, and for the function stop here. This is the condition and functions for the reset button. This is the conditions of the reset button. And now let's move to the timer. When the timer is false, means the timer is started. When on clicking on the start button, the timer is started. For the seconds, when the seconds reaches to 60, from starting from 1 to 60, then one is added to the minutes. And when in the minutes 60 when it completes the 60, then one is added to the hours, and minute becomes 0. This regulates gradually and continue happens. And this is for the conditions of the timer. These all are the conditions for the timer, that what I have made. When this is for the seconds. When the seconds less than 10, then 10 will be added before the seconds one, to make it look good. Now this is readme.file is all the descriptions about my project, given the what I have what I have done in my project. So this is the short descriptions about my stopwatch project. Now move to the live project and that how it works. So this is the scenario of my stopwatch project. On clicking on the start button, the timer is started. So this timer is started on the clicking of the start button. Now clicking on the stop button, the timer will be stopped, and this timer is stopped. And now clicking on the reset button, the timer will be reset. It will become all zero. So this is the all about my project. Thank you.